BluntCut MetalWorks, June 15, 2021. This is CPM 15V 68.5 Rockwell, sharpened at 18° precise at 600 grit diamond plate. Start off sharp. Just do a quick test. Sharp 2x4. Try eucalyptus. It's a little small to chop, but that's okay. Argentine lignum vitae. Chop the edge. That's fine. All the way. Got the anvil. I've been testing chopping on this anvil here, and I want to see how the heat treat. I mean, finally they will hit the point of where chopping 16D nail would cause big fracture or chips. So there you go. This one didn't go through, unfortunately, and there's a dent there. Okay, we'll do a little better. Sorry, laughing. At an angle, you can see it coming in. Let me put another nail. I will chop to the heel. That one chipped right there. That one did chip. So I think the surface of this envelope now is not very ideal anymore, but I would chop to the for the smaller one up to the Sharpened bevel, there are no chip, but exceeding that it chips. So which is it actually have a lot of deformation. That is well, super close up, as you can see, there are a lot of chop. This is a clear chip right there, and possibly this one a little bit, and everything else. There's many other chop. Let's take a look. This is the deformation. This is small one. So it's all a lot depend on the quality of chop. The thickness behind the edge calculated out to be about 12/10 of an inch here. And this is the best job, and there's some of the nail material stuck on here, and some of these little scraggly. These are just a roll from hitting the anvil, 0.5 millimeter scale. It's very so it's thin. The well chop and would end up with a chip, and that's what I was looking for, is the chips, and see first of all how much damage before they end up into a chip, and also real good size. You can see got a sharp, jagged edge. It's clearly chips. Thanks for watching.